Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for maths lesson today, I will continue our lesson, still chapter 1. Okay, but first of all, I want all of you, please open your maths textbook. Okay, then turn to page 14. Okay, so today we are going to learn how do you verify a power of 0 equal to 1 and a power of minus 1 equal to 1 over a power of n, and the value of a is not equal to 0. Okay, then the learning standard for this one is verify that a power of 0 equal to 1 and a power of minus n equal to 1 over a power of n. Okay, and the value for a not equal to 0. Okay, so look at this one, the table here. All right, division in index form. Okay, let's say we have a 2 power of 3 divide with the 2 power of 3. So this one, according to the law of indices, okay, to solve this one, okay, so 2 power of 3 you minus with the power of 3, then equal to power of 0. And in the form of repeated multiplication, it is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, then you divide with the 2 times 2 times 2, and you will get equal to 1. So the conclusion from the solution, it is equal to 2 power of 0 actually equal to 1. And for D here, m power of 5, you divide with the m power of 5. So according to the law of indices, okay, m power of 5, you minus with the power of 5, then equal to m power of 0. And if you look at the repeated multiplication for this one, it is equal to m multiply with the m, multiply with the m, multiply with the m, and multiply with the m, you divide with the m, multiply with the m, multiply with the m, multiply with the m, and multiply with the m, and you will get answer equal to 1. So the conclusion here, m power of 0, it is equal to 1. So same here, if you do C, D, and E here, you will get the same conclusion, which is, let's say, 5 power of 0, it is equal to 1. Then in bracket, minus 7 power of 0, it is equal to 1. And also for n power of 6, n power of 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, so from this one, what you can conclude here, 2 power of 0, it is equal to 1, and m power of 0 equal to 1. That means if the numbers have a power of 0, it is equal to 1. Therefore, a number or an algebraic term with a 0 index or 0 power of 0 will give a value of 1. In general, a power of 0 equal to 1, which is a, it is not equal to 0. Okay, all right. So look at the next one. How do you verify a power of minus n equal to 1 over a power of n? Okay, so look at this one, the table here. Okay, we have a 2 power of 3 divide with the 2 power of 5. Okay, according to the law of indices. Okay, for the index number which is have the same base, when going the division, the power we have to minus. That means this one equal to 2 power of 3 minus power of 5, then equal to 2 power of minus 2. All right. And if we solve this one according to the repeated multiplication method, you will get, okay, 2 power of 3 equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Then you divide with the 2 power of 5, you divide with the 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. So you will get answer equal to 1, you divide with the 2 times 2. Then equal to 1, you divide with the 2 times 2. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, 2 power of minus 2, it is equal to 1 over 2 power of 2. So the conclusion from this one, it is 2 power of minus 2. Actually, you can write it is equal to 1 over 2 power of 2. So same here with the B here, m power of 2, you divide with the m power of 5. According to the law of indices, m power of 2, you minus with the power of 5, you will get answer m power of minus 3. Okay, if you use our repeated multiplication method, okay, m power of 2 equal to m times n, then you divide with the m power 5, divide with the m times m times m times m and times m. So it is equal to 1, you divide with the m, times m, or m multiply with the m multiply with the m. So it is equal to 1 divided with the m power of 3. Okay, so the conclusion from here is m power of minus 3, it is equal to 1 over m power of 3. Okay, all right, so the same here, also same. If you solve this one, c, d, and e, okay, you will get 3 power, let's say for c, 3 power of minus 3, it is equal to 1 over 1 over 3 power of 3. Okay, all right, so the conclusion from this one, okay, 2 power of minus 2 equal to 1 over 2 power of 2, and m power of minus 3, it is equal to 1 over m power of 3. So in general, okay, a power of minus n equal to 1 over a power of n, which is a not equal to 0. All right. Okay, now look at this one. Negative index is a number or an algebraic term that has an index of a negative value. So a few tips here, okay, for you to memorize. Okay, a power of minus n actually equal to 1 over a power of n. Okay, a power of n actually equal to 1 over a power of minus n. Okay, and this one, in bracket, a you divide with a b, then you close bracket, power of minus n actually equal to, in bracket, b, you divide with the a, close bracket, power of n. Okay, so this one, you can please memorize and remember this one. Okay, now look at the example 11 here. Question number 1, state each of the following term in positive index form. Okay, right. So look at this one. Question is a power of minus 2. Okay, so to solve this one, a power of minus 2 actually equal to 1 over a power of 2. And for b, okay, x power of minus 4 equal to 1 over x power of 4. And for c here, 1 over 8 power of minus 5 actually equal to 8 power of 5. And for d, 1 over y power of minus 9, it is equal to y power of 9. And for e, 2m power of minus 3, you can write as 2 you divide with the m power of 3. And for f, 3 over 5 and power of minus 8, it is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, then 3 over 5, then the power and power of minus 8 and power of minus 8 will become here 5n power of 8. So this one equal to 3 divided with the 5n power of 8. And for g here, in bracket 2 over 3, close bracket, power of minus 10, it is equal to, in bracket, 3 over 2 power of 10. So look at here, this one 2 over 3. So the answer, it is equal to, in bracket, 3 over 2. Okay, and this one power of 10. This one is power of minus 10. And for h here, in bracket x, you divide with the y, close bracket, power of minus 7, it is equal to, in bracket y, you divide with the x, power of 7. Okay, look at question 2. Question 2 asks you to state each of the following in negative index form. Okay, so question 2, okay, a, 1 over 3 power of 4, it is equal to 3 power of minus 4. And for b, 1 over m power of 5 equal to m power of minus 5. And for c, 7 power of 5, it is equal to 1 over 7 power of minus 5. And for d, n power of 20, it is equal to 1 over n power of minus 20. And for e, in bracket, 4 over 5, close bracket, power of 8, it is equal to, in bracket, 5 over 4, close bracket, power of minus 8. And for the f, in bracket, m, you divide with the n, close bracket, power of 15, it is equal to, in bracket, n, you divide with the m, close bracket, power of minus 15. And the last one for 3, simplify each of the following. For a, Okay, so question asks you, okay, A, 3 power of 2 multiply with the 3 power of 4, then divide with the 3 power of 8. So how to do this one? It is equal to, so as you can see here, this index number have the same base. So for the multiplication, that means the power you have to plus, and for the division, the power you have to minus. So it is equal to 3 power of 2 plus power of 4, then minus power of 8. Okay, then answer equal to 3 power of minus 2. So this one, you can write it is equal to 1 over 3 power of 2. And for B, okay, in bracket 2 power of 4, close bracket power of 2, multiply with the in bracket 3 power of 5, close bracket power of 3, then divide with the in bracket 2 power of 8, multiply with the 3 power of 6, close bracket power of 2. So it is equal to, you open the bracket, so the power, you have to multiply with the power outside of the bracket. So it is equal to 2 power of 8 because 4 you multiply with the 2. So 2 power of 8 multiply with the 3 power of 3 power of 15 because this one 3 power of 5. So the power of 5 here, you multiply with the power of 3 outside the bracket here. Okay, so divide with the this one, you also have to open the bracket here. So remember, when you open the bracket or the index number inside the bracket, you have to uh, multiply with the power of 2 outside the bracket. That means 2 power of 8. Okay, so power of 8 here, you multiply with the power of 2. So 8 times 2 equal to 16. So 2 power of 16 multiply with the 3 power of 12. Okay, because 3 power of 6 here. So the power of 6 here, you multiply with the power of 2. So become 3 power of 12. So it is equal to, then after that, what to do? You do the mathematical operation for the index number, which is have the same base. So here you have 2 power of 8, divide with the 2 power of 16, so equal to 2 power of 8. You minus with the 16, power of 16. Then multiply with the 3 power of 15, divide with the 3 power of 12. So what happened here? 3 power of 15 minus power of 12, because this one, the index number which is have the same base, and the operation is division, so the power you have to minus. So it is equal to 2 power of minus 8 multiply with the 3 power of 3. So the answer, it is equal to, so 2 power of minus 8 actually equal to 1 over 2 power of 8. Okay, 1 over 2 power of 8, then multiply with the 3 power of 3. Okay, so 1 over 2 power of 8, you multiply with the 3 power of 3, you will get a 3 power of 3 divide with the 2 power of 8. So this one, the answer for B. All right, for C, okay, question is in bracket 4x, y power of 2, close bracket power of 2, multiply with the x power of 5, multiply with the y, then divide with the in bracket 2x power of 3, y, then close bracket power of 5. So firstly, you have to open the bracket here. So remember, when you open the bracket, that means the power outside the bracket, you have to multiply with the numbers and also the index numbers inside the bracket. The coefficient also, you have to power of 2 here. So it is equal to 4 here. You also have to time with the power of 2. Actually, 4, it is equal to 4 power of 1. So 4 power of 1. So 1 you multiply with the power of 2. So it become 4 power of 2. Then x here also x equal to x power of 1. So the power of 1 you multiply with the 2 become x power of 2. Then y power of 2 multiply with the 2, multiply with the power of 2 become y power of 4. Then multiply with the x power of 5, x power of 5, y power of 1. Then divide with the, this one also you have to open the bracket. So remember, when you open the bracket, all the coefficient inside the bracket, you have to multiply with the power of 5. So same also for the index number also, you have to multiply the power with the power of 5. So this one become 2 power of 5. Okay, then x power of 15 because x power of 3. So 3 here multiply with the power of 5. So become x power of 15. Then y power of 5. because actually y it is equal to y power of 1. So power of 1, you multiply with the power of 5 become 1 y power of 5. So this one after you solve, it is equal to, firstly you need to solve the coefficient first. So 4 power of 2 become 16. Then divide with the 2 power of 5 actually equal to 32. Then we do the mathematical operation on the index number which is have the same base. So here we have x power of 2. X power of 2 you multiply with the x power of 5, so it is equal to x power of 2 plus power of 5. Then after that you have to divide with the x power of 15. So divide mean the power you have to minus power of 15. Okay, then y power of 4, here we have y power of 4, you have to plus with the 1 because y power of 4 here multiply with the y power of 1. So y power of 4 plus 1. Then after that, you have to minus with the 5 because here we have divide with the y power of 5. Okay, so you get the answer. It is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, because 16 you divide with the 32, you will get 1 over 2. Okay, then x power of minus 8 and y power of 0. Okay, then it is equal to 1 over 2 x power of 8. Okay, y actually here because y power of 0 actually equal to 1. Okay, remember class, any number, if you power of 0, the answer equal to 1. And this one, x power of minus 8, you can write as 1 over x power of 8. Okay, so that's why the final answer here, it is equal to 1 over 2x power of 8. Okay, all right, class. So I think for maths lesson today, I will stop here. All right, so please listen to this video and try to understand it. And if you have any question, you can ask me through the Telegram. And for your exercise today, I want you to do question mind test 1.2F. Okay, please answer question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, all the question here. Please do all the question. Number 1, all the question. Number 2, all the question. And number 3, all the question in your maths exercise 1. Okay, then please submit to me the exercise. Select the pictures of your exercise. After you finish, then send to me through the Telegram. Okay, so that's all for our class today. Thank you.